Hi, I am Jessica, introducing eco-friendly, biodegradable or biocompostable sheet, film extrusion machine and vacuum thermoforming machine. PP, cornstarch, plant fiber biodegradable composite material, PLA or PBAT composite sheets or films are widely used in food packing, medicine packing, toys, electronics, stationery packaging. The composite materials are biodegradable or biocompostable, non-toxic, tasteless, best for disposable, one-time use food containers. The material is microwave-proof, chill-proof and leak-proof. Degradation or computability time 28 days to 48 days depending on the formula.
Biodegradable polymer base, for example, PLA, PHA, PBAT, starch-based polymers additives, plasticizers, for example, citrates, glycerol improve flexibility fillers, for example, calcium carbonate, help reduce cost and improve stiffness, Biodegradable promoters, for example, oxo-degradable additives, enzymes compatibilizers for better filler, polymer bonding, colorants, pigments if needed, processing aids, for example, lubricants, anti-blocking agents.
After the sheet making process, the sheet will feed into the vacuum thermoforming machine to make the desired shape of the biodegradable disposable product. The robot arm stack the tableware and sent for packing by conveyor. For more detailed information, please contact us on WeChat or WhatsApp. You can scan us from the last part of the video. Follow our channel and get updated. Thanks for watching.